Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Would you like a table, or would you like to sit at the bar?
I'd like a table.
Please, follow me. Can I take your coat?
Thank you.
Could I get you anything to drink?
I like a beer.
Certainly.
One, two, three, four. That's it for tonight, ladies and gentlemen. On the bass, Mr. Larry McVeigh. On the drums, Kip Fleming, and on the guitar, the one, the only Mr. Bobby Berman. We hope you enjoyed the music tonight. We're going to be here for the next 2 weeks, so please do stop by. I'm Nick Nightingale. Good night.
Nick, that was great.
Oh, thanks.
Nightingale.
Hey, Bill, you made it.
Yeah, listen, I'm sorry. I got here just as you were finishing your last set.
Oh, that's all right. The band sucked tonight anyway.
What are you drinking?
Vodka and tonic, please.
Thank you.
So what brings you out at this hour?
I have a patient in the neighborhood.
Do you live in the village?
No, we have an apartment on Central Park West.
You're married?
9 years.
Any kids?
Yes, we have a 7-year-old daughter. How about you?
I've got a wife and 4 boys in Seattle.
You're a long way from home.
Yeah, well, you gotta go where the work is. Thank you.
So is this your band?
No, it's just a pickup band.
Who do you normally play with?
Anybody. Anywhere. As a matter of fact, I got another gig later tonight.
Playing somewhere else tonight?
They only get started there around 2.
In the village?
Believe it or not, I don't actually know the address yet.
You don't?
No, it may sound ridiculous, but it's in a different place every time, and I only get it about an hour or so before.
Different place every time.
So far.
And what's the big mystery?
Hey, man, I just played the piano.
Nick, I'm sorry. Is there something I'm missing here?
I play blindfolded.
What?
Yeah. I play blindfolded.
You're putting me on.
No, it's the truth. And the last time, the blindfold wasn't on so well. Oh, man. Bill, I have seen 1 or 2 things in my life, but never anything like this. And never such women.
Well.
Excuse me. Hello. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, this is Nick. I know where that is. Right. Okay. Well, I'm on my way right now. Okay, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye.
What is this?
It's the name of a Beethoven opera, isn't it?
Nick.
It's the password.
The password?
Yeah, look, I'm really sorry to do this to you, Bill. I mean, I gotta get going. I gotta go.
You know there is no way on earth that you're going to leave here tonight without taking me with you.
Come on, buddy. Give me a break.
All right, Nick, I tell you what. I've already got the password. Just give me the address, and I'll go there by myself, and there won't be any connection between us whatsoever.
Listen, let's just say for 1 second that I was prepared to do that. You couldn't get in anyway in those clothes.
Why not?
Because everyone is always costumed and masked. And where the hell are you going to get a costume at this hour of the morning?